I noticed that people expect practicing Muslim to have stereotypes looks or a mark on the forehead, some specific appearance, or using certain terminologies. It is not all about such factors. People have been asking about the necessities of having all these signs from Hazrat Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who never emphasized on. He mentioned 10 traits essential for a believing to possess, and a person will not be considered wise without these three factors. He also paraphrased the same sentences in other situations. None of them are about waking them at midnight, saying prayers, or reciting some 52 Quranic chapters. The first attribute is that one must not harm others. It means that people should feel safe with a believer. On the other hand, humans are hopeful of receiving benefits from a faithful person. Seeing a God to followers does not bring the concept of a famous proverb: if you do not do a favor, then at least do not ruin me, into people's mind. It implies that people always can also count on a believer and his or her favors. Secondly, if he or she does a lot of work, never shows off or brags, Sheikh Sadi says, if I obeyed 1,000 times, I am still sinful. If you commit 1,000 homicides, you are still sinless. He underestimates his own hard work and overestimates other person's usual work. Thirdly, a God devotee never stops learning and seeking knowledge, which is a very distinguished characteristic. He or she continuously aims for acquiring information and not becoming frustrated of helping people. A believer never loses his temper in case he or she is asked to offer a hand to an individual. Fourthly, a God path follower is faithful to God even though he or she has to choose poverty. The beholder of such attributes preferred to be honored by God. Therefore, he always concedes God's satisfaction in every situation and never have thirst of wealth or fame. As the contrary, he or she lacks to be anonymous. Last point, which I skipped others in between, is to reach that he or she concedes other human beings better than oneself. It conveys that a true believer magnifies other people's action in a positive way rather than instead of one's own. However, a number of common peoples normally have a high opinion of themselves over others. Value person is not self-considered and self-absorbed. Even he or she performs in the best way in life. Hence, if you like to be a virtuous and benevolent, then there are ample opportunities to be availed. Try to win hearts and affection through being compassionate towards people as a replacement for gaining substances and properties. You will be contented to realize that you cause someone pain to be eliminated and he or she continues living a happy and joyful life.